saffron and bay leaves could potentially offer a variety of health benefits. Saffron Tea Benefits. 1. Antidepressant. Saffron has been found to be as effective as certain antidepressants in treating mild to moderate depression. 2. Heart health. Saffron may help to reduce blood pressure and provide protection against heart disease. It has been found to be effective in lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Bay leaf tea benefits. 1. Digestive aid. Bay leaf tea can help ease bouts of upset stomach. 2. Reduces type 2 diabetes risk factors. Some studies suggest that bay leaf may lower your blood sugar levels. 3. Rich in vitamins and minerals. Bay leaf is a good source of vitamin A, vitamin B6, and vitamin C, as well as certain minerals like potassium.